Hey, my name's Steve. The restaurant that we're in now is called Ralph's. Pizza is our main thing. It's kind of what we love to do. It's what we love to serve. How did I start Ralph's? So I guess mostly as a home baker. I got a bit fanatical about bread and pizza and working with sourdough. Kind of like 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, I'll start the dough through till midday, and then we start our lunch service. We incorporated the Boursin in 3 different ways actually. 1 in the spinach base, 2 as the predominant cheese on the pizza, and then going on in a more raw form to top the pizza with at the end. Sourdough, anyone can do it. All you need is a bag of flour from the supermarket and just any old tap water or filtered water, it doesn't matter. Okay, so for the base of this pizza, we're going to be using the Boursin with the spinach. Puree it up into the blender, should take 1 minute, nice and easy. 50 grams of Boursin. You can weigh it out if you want to. I'm only using just a hand blender here. So now the spinach and Boursin base is made, now onto the pizza. Base of our pizza, it's sourdough pizza. We make it fresh every single day. We never carry it over. It's a bit of a labour of love. For me, it's the only way I've learned to make pizza. Just gonna use my fingertips, just start pushing the air out. Okay, so here's the Creamy Boursin that we made earlier. Then we're gonna go with a little bit of fresh mozzarella. We're gonna go with the Boursin that we just cubed up, just a regular pack. We just cubed it up, ready to go on the pizza. Okay, so from there, we're gonna go with the gribiche, which traditionally is a French dressing. This just really works for me. It's pickles, it's French mustard, a little bit of sea salt, parsley, just like 4 or 5 half teaspoons. Okay, then we're gonna go with our artichoke. I'm just gonna peel that away. And then a little bit of dried chili. We're gonna go with some fresh basil, just tear it on. We go for about 11, 12 inches on the pizza here, so not massive, not too small. Just gonna throw this into the oven. It's gonna bake for about 70 seconds. Okay, and to finish again, we're gonna go just a few crumbles of Boursin. So there you have it. It's the Ralph's Boursin and Artichoke Pizza. Super easy to make. Enjoy making the dough, enjoy working with the Boursin, it's terrific, please enjoy. Working with Boursin, it works at any temperature and it melted really well. Added a really lovely garlic herb freshness to the pizza. It didn't melt straight away, it went on a baking hot pizza at the end and it held its form, it was fantastic.